Look, have y'all ever triggered a narcissist in such a way that they change the subject mid-stride? I mean, I'm talking from whatever the topic may have been, caused them to convict themselves, and you immediately saw a split. And that split look in this, and it just took over like, oh, you see that tree over there next to that blue car, next to the, and you're like, wait a minute, answer the question. You see, it's kind of like you go, aw, look at you scrambling, trying to change the subject. Did I strike a nerve? See, at the moment though, it caught you off guard. You didn't see it.